Hi, I'm Professor Larry Louie, and I met most of you a couple weeks ago when we first had our FMC meeting. But I hope to meet all of you this Wednesday, because what's happening Wednesday, we're going to have an introduction and the team setup for our all-day simulation on Friday. So on Wednesday, we'll meet in between your classes as MBANs from 1:15 to 2:15, and then we'll set up teams that day and get you all taken care of so that when we go on Friday to campus starting at 9 a.m., we can hit the ground running. And I'll give a lot of detail about what the simulation is all about. But for now, I just want to give you a little bit of a teaser on what you're going to see. Well, what is the simulation? It's a simulation that we got through the Harvard Business Publishing relationship. And it's a marketplace simulation, one that we've used at HELP for over 5 years. So it's proven to be a very informative, educational, and fun simulation. What is it all about? Well, it's about a bicycle shop. So you're going to run a hypothetical company that is manufacturing bicycles, and it hopes to be a global success. The products that you have can be tailored to different markets. It could be for the recreational user, or for the mountain biker, or for speed. Your markets, you can be in one of 4 markets: North America, South America, Europe, Africa, or Asia, and it's your team's decision. The other set of decisions you'll have to make is manufacturing. What is your capacity? What kind of technology do you use? How do you pay your employees? These are all real life type decisions if you were manufacturing a real product. And you'll also be able to select your job. So on Wednesday, after we set up your teams, you can meet before Friday and establish who's going to do what role. We can be in sales or marketing or finance or manufacturing, in human relations, or in data analysis. Now, don't all run for data analysis. But those are the roles that you'll play. And the sim is best done if it's not seen as a one for all as one kind of a team exercise. It's best when one person takes a responsibility for a particular role and then they play out that role, and that way the conversations can have more depth to it. So this is something I wanted to introduce on Wednesday so you could think about it on Thursday. So when we jump into it on Friday, you can be in role, as they say, as the VP or whatever manager name you would like to have for one of the functional areas. And that's the purpose of the sim. The purpose of the sim is to understand how all these pieces in a company fit together in order to compete in a marketplace. And you might say, well, let's do the right formula and figure out how to beat the game. Well, I can just tell you it cannot be beat that way. And why is that? It's because the teams don't operate against a computer. The teams are operating in a marketplace that is in a computer environment, but you're actually competing with your other teammates from MBAN. So each team makes its own decisions, and that dynamic interplay will simulate a real-life market and competitive environment. So as I said, we've run this for many years. It is both educational and fun, both, and I hope you'll share that opinion. So I'll see you at Wednesday at 1:15. We will only have an hour for me to give an actual introduction to the simulation and give you some tips on how to best prepare for the Friday simulation. So see you soon, and I look forward to working with you. Bye-bye.